Hello，各位你哋好，我係 Steve。咁啊，我就幾個星期前咧，我就翻咗去英國。我諗1個星期到啦，即係見下阿爸阿媽啊，見下啲 friend 啊。咁跟住咧就翻咗嚟日本啦。翻咗嚟嗰陣時咧，我就喺英國咧買咗好多戰利品，係啦，好多嘢。咁啊，我覺得好多嘢咧都值得介紹下嘅，有好多嘢咧喺日本買唔到嘅，係一啲英國嘅好嘢，唔係淨係日本先有好嘢嘅，唔係淨係香港先有好嘢嘅，其實英國都有好多好嘢。咁我想講咧，呢條片咧唔係 sponsor 片嘅，呢啲嘢咧我哋全部咧喺英國買，咁咧我就會想做個介紹，咁希望大家中意條片啦，覺得有趣啦。大家咧，如果係返香港咧，想帶啲手信啊，買啲禮物咧，俾屋企人、俾朋友咧，呢個可以做一個 reference，或者你想買啲嘢俾自己，我覺得都好好介紹嘅。好啦，咁啊，事不宜遲，開始介紹下啦。咁啊，首先咧係英國嘅薯片，當然卡樂 P 係非常之好食啦，熱浪係非常之好食啦，你好難好食過呢啲薯片嘅。不過英國咧，都有好多好 unique 嘅薯片，flavors 都有好多嘅。Cheese and onion 嗱，唔使講啦，呢個係普遍到冇得再普遍嗰隻㗎啦。UK's favourite flavour 嘅薯片 is very British，very British。我都覺得好好味嘅。其實咧，有時咧翻咗嚟日本咧，都掛住呢隻味道，咁啊我就所以咧買咗一包翻嚟啦。好啦，咁其他呢啲味咧，我都想特別介紹下。咁啊，特別呢一個 What's the sauce flavour？ 呢次咧佢有埋呢個 Lean Pairings logo 喺度。What's the sauce flavour 咧？其實咧喺英國不嬲都有啦，不過呢個 flavour 唔係成日出現，近排咧又出翻，咁啊，所以咧我覺得咧好值得買嚟食嘅。英國不嬲好中意咖喱啦。OK，chicken masala flavour 呢個味咧都我覺得好特別嘅。茄汁咧又係 one of those Walkers 嘅味咧，唔係成日有，間中會出下。咁啱咧，近排又有翻，我覺得幾好味嘅。Tomato and 呢個 What's the sauce？They're really good。What else we got？Sticky teriyaki 呢個咧我完全冇食過嘅，都幾特別，所以咧我想買包嚟試下。So I just want to try it. Inspired by Japan, flavors of Japan， 你信唔信？呢度咧就係另一啲零食咧，大部分喺餅啊、朱古力啊咁樣等等幾樣嘢咧，我想介紹咧就係呢啲咧喺Heathrow 嘅 Terminal 5嘅 British Souvenir Shop， 嗰度有好多古靈精怪嘅嘢嘅。其實嗰度咧有個 Mr Bean 公仔係完全唔似 Mr Bean 嘅，即係有好多奇怪嘢。Hello, my name's PC Stevo. Hello. 不過咧，我覺得咧嗰度有好多啲手信值得買 ，especially 呢啲啦。日本人咧好中意 shortbread 嘅 ，in a really nice looking tin of a post box. I think it looks really good. 係啦，又好食又靚嚇，咁又可以咧。擺喺度做一個裝飾咁樣，呢個牌子其實幾出名嘅 Cartwright and Butler， 咁啊大家可以留意翻啦。呢個咧手信咧係 Truffles， 呢個朱古力手信咧最平嘅喺嗰間 Heathrow Terminal 5，咁啊係啦，你可以話我 cheap 啦，不過我覺得咧即係時時正正有個英國旗嚇，又有得食，做個手信又抵買，我覺得幾好嘅。So next the sweets。咁啊，呢啲係一啲 just mints 嚟嘅啫。不過咧，我覺得呢個盒咧係好靚嘅，係啦。嗰個盒咧，你見到咧佢突咗出嚟少少嘅嚇。呢度有隻狗仔啦，呢個有個 Big Ben 喺度啦。I think they look really good。咁啊，一啲 mints 咁樣啦，都係嗰間 Heathrow Terminal 5嘅 gift shop 買嘅。咁啊，呢個咧就係Maid of Honour 嘅朱古力。呢間嘢咧可以 high tea 下啦。咁啊 high tea 完咧，你就可以買啲朱古力。咁我會擺埋條 link。咁啊，呢個咧係一個朋友送俾我哋嘅 ，from Maid of Honour。It's a really nice looking box of chocolates。唔捨得食添。Next, these two are shortbread Tesco 好平。So these are like £1, £1.15 I think. They're really cheap。時 四正正都似樣啦，攞嚟做少少手信。不過如果你想買靚少少咧，咁啊當然就居火呢個瑪莎嘅 shortbread， 咁啊呢個就貴成倍咧 ，just over £2。好啦，最後咧我就想講呢啲朱古力冇乜特別介紹嘅，不過咧我最想介紹個 flavour 咧係唔喺度啦，因為我已經食咗啦。其實嗰個 flavour 咧係叫 pistachio chocolate。點解嗰個咁好味咧？其實嗰個味道咧係同 Dubai chocolate 一模一樣嘅。我覺得咧呢啲味咧唔使買嚇。不過依個款 of 嗰個朱古力，不過 pistachio flavour 咧就一定要買。最好味係 pistachio， 一定要試，包你會中意。係啦，鬼佬鳳梨酥係啊，鬼佬鳳梨酥就係呢啲啦嚇。Red currant puffs 又係瑪莎嘅，中間有啲 jam 咁樣嘅，甜甜地。阿飛阿媽咧就中意食，所以咧我哋咧就買咗一盒啦。好啦，咁我都想講咧，其實香港都有個瑪莎嘅嚇，不過咧就我覺得可能英國嘅瑪莎可能會個 selection 好啲啦嚇。咁同埋英國嘅瑪莎咧係平好多 as well， 咁大家咧就留意翻啦。OK，more 瑪莎，瑪莎 just got so much good stuff。我覺得今次翻咗英國咧，我覺得瑪莎 upgrade 咗少少，我哋都拍咗少少片喺瑪莎。Crackers 永遠冇得輸嘅，特別呢個芝士味啊，好好味，我覺得。有啲芝麻喺度咁樣，呢個 Black Olive is also good， 都值得食嘅。不過 this one by far is my favourite。瑪莎咧其中一個最出名就係呢個 Belgian Collection 啦。咁 Belgian Collection 咧其實係一盒餅嘅，我哋呢度冇啦，冇擺出嚟啦。係我由細到大咧，同 Christmas 咧都係食個 Belgian Collection。The chocolates, but they also do just a Belgian chocolate on its own, which is also really good。本嗰啲 Melty Kiss 嗰啲都比唔上嘅。如果有機會嘅，大家咧就試下啦。呢啲 tea 咧，我覺得咧幾好味嘅 shortbread flavour tea。咁我都好 looking forward 咧，想試下呢啲 tea， 呢個 Yorkshire tea 啦嚇。不過咧，其實咧而家咧呢啲 tea 咧有好多唔同味嘅，咁大家可以不妨試下，唔係淨係買嗰個 PG Tips 嗰啲有啲馬騮嗰啲，唔好淨係買嗰隻 OK。Try some of these flavours。有一個咧，我哋成日買開咧，就係叫Jam and Toast。不過好似唔知點解佢 discount 咗啦，所以 they don't have it anymore。呢個咧又係 biscuit flavour 嘅。Snacks 講完啦，咁咧我就講下其他一啲嘢啦嚇。Extra virgin oil， 不過呢個係 avocado 嘅 ，from avocado。咁呢個咧係一個好健康嘅油嚟嘅嚇。點解買咗呢隻咧嚇？因為呢個咧oil 咧可以攞嚟煮餸啦，因為唔係好多oil 咧可以 high heat 攞嚟煮餸嘅，同埋咧係好過啲花生油啦，花生油係唔係咁健康啦。同埋如果咧你想買喺日本咧想買一啲好健康嘅油咧，it's quite expensive。咁所以咧我就喺英國咧就買咗呢隻啦。Extra virgin oil avocado 呢個咧我哋咧就喺 Amazon 買嘅，咁我哋咧就留翻條 link 咧喺下邊，咁大家可以留意下啦。大家不嬲都知咧 vinegar 咧其實it's quite healthy。咁咧呢個咧就係 balsamic vinegar。咁如果咧你食 salad 咁樣咧你就可以淋上去啦。日本香港咧唔多見呢隻嘢嘅，就算有咧我相信咧係唔少錢嘅，大家咧可以留意下呢個。咁呢啲 supplement 咧都喺 Amazon 買嘅。咁首先呢個咩嘅 free 啦，呢啲 fish oil 咁好普遍嘅啫。咁呢個 collagen 咧係用魚製造嘅，咁你 very good for bone、hair、your nails， 你個皮膚阿飛成日介紹嘅呢個，咁大家咧就可以留意下啦。呢個都係 Amazon 買嘅，女士朋友咧就不妨要食下呢個啦。阿飛咧就勁之推介嘅。呢個咧袋咧，我覺得一個 shopping bag 咧係幾靚嘅嚇。咁佢嗰個 material 咧，好似嗰啲薯仔袋咁樣啦嘅 material 啦嚇。咁呢個咧又係 Terminal 5嗰個 souvenir shop 有得賣嘅。咁咧，我覺得攞嚟喺日本咧做 shopping 嗰陣時咧，就攞嚟用咧，我覺得幾好嘅。Next one it's Paul Smith。Paul Smith 咧係英國咧一個名牌嚟嘅，我咧喺 Paul Smith 嘅 sale shop 買嘅，喺倫敦度其實咧係啲嘢咧係非常之抵嘅 ，third of original price 嘅。咁大家知道 Paul Smith shop 度咧啲嘢咧真係比較貴嘅，好多嘢咧 like a simple wallet is like £120，你冇80磅咧你買唔到一啲嘢嘅 for Paul Smith， 但呢個 Paul Smith sale shop 咧啲嘢咧就 平好多啦。好啦，咁咧我就買咗一頂帽咧，俾一位朋友咧係好中意 Paul Smith 嘅。咁啊，呢個 woolly hat。It's just a normal woolly hat。呢個咧原價咧好似 it's like £115 for this hat。咁啊，佢減到咧£35，我覺得£35係差唔多咯，我覺得係 OK 咯 for Paul Smith。近排咧，我有個新嘅 hobby，boxing，boxercise 啊！我唔係真係同人哋打過啦嚇，所有咧你練拳嗰陣時咧，要練嗰啲 exercise 咧，你就會做噶啦。咁咧呢個喺英國咧，大家有興趣做運動咧 ，Lonsdale。同埋另一個牌子咧 ，Everlast 係美國，不過 Lonsdale 咧係真係英國嘅牌子嘅。同埋咧呢個係 Sports Direct 嗰度買嘅 ，Sports Direct 嗰啲嘢咧係非常之平嘅。咁我買咗呢個 glove 咧 for £15，I think it's such an excellent deal。咁啊，點解我想講咧？總之咧喺英國咧買呢啲 sport 嘢咧喺 Sports Direct 啊係非常之抵嘅嚇。咁啊，大家咧可以留意翻。同埋咧，我嗰日咧 Sports Direct 咧我就買咗一對波鞋，咁呢個咧可以行街着啊，或者我training 啊做下運動嗰陣時咧，我又可以着42磅，同埋我覺得個色都幾靚啦。咁而家咧你想買對有牌嘅波鞋咧，我覺得冇50磅都買唔到嘅 ，and these are £42，所以我覺得都幾好嘅。原價咧呢對嘢咧要70磅嘅，所以 yeah，pretty good deal。好啦，咁就介紹下啲玩具啦。呢個 Storm Collectible， 咁近排咧 Storm Collectible 咧就興咧呢個 series 咧叫 Storm Arena。呢個新嘅 series 咧，嗰啲 figure 咧係細啲嘅 ，accessory 咧係少咗幾隻嘅啊。如果大家咧有玩開 figure 咧 ，Storm Collectible 嗰啲 figure 咧，普通嗰啲咧係大件好多嘅，同埋比較貴嘅，80磅至150 pounds。不過依個 size 咧，呢個 new series 咧，30磅咧已經可以買到啦。我最中意玩開嘅 Street Fighter 咧就係 Street Fighter 03，咁啊其中一個我最中意嘅 character 咧就係 Sagat 啦。啊，我覺得呢個 Sagat 咧好型嘅，近排出咗嘅，咁啊我就擺條 link 俾大家睇下啦。咁其實咧第二度都有得買嘅，不過咧英國嗰間 Storm Collectible 啦，我覺得佢哋 customer service 好好啦，寄嘢快啦，我買咗好多次啦，所以 I think it's a great store。好啦，咁呢個咧就喺Amazon 度買嘅，呢個咧真係一個 very good deal。咁呢個係咩咧？呢個係一部街機仔Astro City Mini。咁呢個 version 咧，大家應該見到咧，佢畫面咧係打直嘅，佢叫 Astro City Mini V。咁咧佢係專係玩呢啲射擊 game 嘅，呢啲有啲飛機射上面咁樣啊。咁啊，佢有晒1945啊、雷電啊、Gunbird 啊，好多呢啲咁嘅 game 係啦。咁我覺得好正嘅呢個。咁咧，我不嬲冇買咧，因為我覺得呢部機咧係比較貴嘅，佢係超過100磅嘅嚇，所以不嬲唔捨得買。不過近排咧 Amazon 咧84磅 ，I never seen 呢部機咧係咁平嘅。好多呢啲玩具啊，呢啲咁樣咧，我都會喺 Steve Wool's Hobby 咧做一個 deep 嘅介紹嘅。不過如果大家想買咧，呢度我擺條 link 喺度。就係我快 show 下啦嚇。咁咧，如果大家咧未聽過咧，就係呢個80年代嘅卡通片啦嚇。香港以前咧係好 hit 嘅，咁近排咧佢嗰啲玩具咧出翻晒嚟。不過嗰紮玩具咧，80年代嗰隻玩具咧係一模一樣，完全咩 improvement 都冇嘅嚇。咁佢有晒以前嗰啲問題啊喺晒度嘅嚇。咁咧最 hit 嗰個咧，最多人中意咧係依架跑車，呢個就係幻變奇兵嗰部車啦。佢咧就有晒啲貼紙喺度嘅。有啲人咧唔中意啲貼紙，唔中意佢嗰啲啦，嗰啲 pattern 啦，我就好中意嘅，不過我未貼啫。佢咧就可以咧可以飛啦，跟住咧呢度咧我有埋啲炮咁樣嘅。好啦，咁另外一樣嘢我想介紹咧，就係 Jellycat。Jellycat 咧，全世界都有得買啦，呢個牌子。佢係英國牌子嚟嘅，不過咧有某一啲 selection 咧，淨係英國先有得買嘅啫。呢個咧就係 friend 送俾我哋嘅，個咧就阿飛咧就會自己用啦。咁佢個咧好似一個 Selfridges 嘅 shopping bag 咁樣，覺得幾靚嘅。咁你可以咧攞呢個咧做一個 handbag 咁樣啦。咁呢個咧白鴿又係英國先有得買。 嘅呢個 pigeon。咁啊，呢個 Jellycat 咧就叫 Struthon Pigeon 啊。咁啊 Struthon 咧係一個地方咧喺英國嘅。咁如果大家見到有咧，不妨整一隻啦。Jellycat 咧喺 Selfridges 咧有個好巴閉喎，呢個要 book 個時間咧先去買到嘅 Fish and Chips Experience Fish and Chips 嘅套餐啦嚇。呢3個咧其實幾貴嘅係嘛？咁呢個 Fish Pie is £40 ，Cod is £40，this chips is £50，this is 50 quid，OK 嚇。不過咧呢個咧係一個真係好 unique 嘅手信，同埋咧我覺得將來咧呢啲 Jellycat 咧應該會升價嘅。咁我想講咧呢條片咧唔係 sponsor 片嘅，呢啲嘢咧我哋全部咧喺英國買。咁啊如果有啲嘢咧已經 out of stock 或者買唔到咧，I'm sorry。如果有興趣咧，啲 link 喺晒下邊嚇，咁啊大家留意下，睇下你買唔買到什麼啲星車。好啦，咁啊希望大家覺得呢條片有趣啦，下一集再見，拜拜。